This is a video for a simple project of making a battery holder from pipe. The type of pipe I'm using is 1/2 inch. When you're getting the pipe, you should make sure that it will fit the battery because the internal diameter of the pipes might vary a bit. So you also need some steel wool, some bolts. I'm using 1/4 inch bolts, some washers. I got 2 washers here, and some nuts. Here are 2 nuts. And I'm also using some simple tools. The tools you might need vary. I'm using a drill, a tape measure, some scissors, some wires, some thing for stripping the wire, and a marker. So, oh yeah, and a saw, of course. So to start with, measure the pipe. Add 2 inches for every battery you want in series. So I'm going to be putting 8 batteries in series, so I need at least 16 inches, and then I'm going to add an extra 1.5 inch for for the fittings at the end, which is where I put the bolts. So I'm going to mark that like there, and then I'm going to cut that with this saw here. So here is a saw. And I'm going to cut. There's my expert cutting. See, that was not particularly difficult. I'll put this extra little bit aside for now. And next the saw is done. So next it will be drilling. So I'm going to drill some pieces, and I'm just going to use a little bit of scrap wood. Here, let me find some scrap wood here. So I'm going to use this scrap wood to drill upon, and I'm going to drill little holes at the end here. Oh. Of course I need to plug it in, right? That's kind of important. Okay. There's a hole for one side. Hopefully I will not screw this up, embarrass myself. There we go. The whole portion has been complete. This is the end for the battery holder. So I will not need to drill anymore. Next, I'm going to need the steel wool. And the steel wool is to help make a connection at the end. Otherwise, you would need like a spring, and I don't really have one of those. So I'm going to cut the steel wool. Cut the steel wool, make some little plugs. Anyway, and then once you get the little plugs, then you stuff one into one end, like so. Make sure to try not to get a lot of loose wires so you don't create shorts. But this is pretty tight in here, and these wires are short, so there's not really much of a chance of that happening. Then after that, you put the, wait, did I show it this time? I hope I did. Then you put the screw in, and then you put the bolt out and the washer, and then you put the bolt on top. So this is one I've got marked negative. I've marked the sides negative and positive to make it easier. So I'm going to put all these batteries in with negative going that way. Then you put the other plug in. And you put the other bolt in. Other washer. The other nut. And then you basically have a battery, see? A battery holder with some batteries in it. And see, look, it's pretty snug, which is good. Here, let me show you with the volt measuring device so that you can see that it is working. Let's see. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. I think you see 12.59 volts, which is good. And it doesn't even matter if you shake it around, it's still the same. No loose connections. Okay. Then you can put some wires at the ends. Like so. Attach some wires. I already stripped the wires like in the last take, but you know, I'm pretty sure you can strip wires. But I do not want to do that again, so we're just gonna stay with it. Oops. I have two wires attached. I will demonstrate them hooked up to something. There, another little project I'm working on. There we go. It's good, see? Easy to make battery holder. Simple, easy. Hopefully it will be useful to you. Thanks for watching.